Welcome back. Today we're flying with the ATX FPV Meetup group. This is a group of local pilots who get together about once a month and have a pretty active community on Discord. I'm glad I've joined their community. I had some amazing conversations this morning, met some really interesting people, and had fun flying. And you're about to see my very first drone chase. I've never flown with other pilots in the air before. It was a lot of fun.
Again, baby, that's got everything to do with you. I'm alive, so alive. I'm alive, so
A big thank you to everyone who made it out to the meetup. I had fun meeting all of you. And as always, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great week.